Couple weeks ago, I moved my dryer around just to get some clothes that fell between the washer and the dryer. Found out later on my ductwork was disconnected, causing all that mess. This is the ductwork from the previous owner. I did not replace it to save some cost. So I got this duct connector from Home Depot. Link gonna be in the description below. You can find that in my Amazon store. So for me to install that duct connector, I have to cut off the access. Here, after I'm cutting, I realize some sharp edges, so I gotta get my gloves for safety first. So I got my gloves, and I'm using this snippet. So I have a left and a right. So I'm going back and forth, trying to get a clean cut as much as possible. If you guys know of something that would have worked better, I'd love for you to let me know in the comments below. So I'm cutting off as much as I can just to make sure it's clean. So before install it, I gotta make sure that all the insides are clean out all any built up, and just use some drywall screw to screw that in place. The other end of the connector, so I need to install this, but on the beginning of the video, you can notice this ductwork was a little bit damaged, so I gotta cut off the damaged piece, and some of it was kind of too long, so I gotta cut some off. This end is pretty simple. It just screws into place. So as I screw it off, sorry, my arm is blocking the view, but you can see it's simple. Just screw it in place. And of course, the other end to the dryer came loose. So another thing I'm going to do here is to try to screw this in place. So I try my impact and realize my impact was basically blocking. So I got this screwdriver with the connector, trying to get this loosened up and try to tighten it as much as possible. As I'm trying, it's not staying in place. So I got a different screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, trying it that way and see if it will bite. Of course, it did not. Just keep on coming loose. So I know how to fix that problem is to get some self-tapping screw or self-drilling screw. So I screw right into it and that keep it in place. And just to cause it not to come off again later on I'm going to go ahead and tape this as well. I'd love for you guys to take a moment and just subscribe and just to click that notification bell as I create new video later on. Once I tape it, the next step is all you got to do is basically snap both ends together, and simple as that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Love for you guys to subscribe, follow along, and follow me daily on Instagram. Thank you guys so much.